we'll be using a statistical plugin, and in this case, plugin by StatCounter. So once you have it installed and you go into its settings, you can easily connect the website to StatCounter by inputting the necessary information that I have blurred out here. And you can also place your choice of where you want your counter to be, information to be placed, either your footer or your header. Okay, there are two ways to access your analytics. The first way is if you're in your WordPress dashboard, click on StatCounter, and it'll take you to the StatCounter website within your dashboard. Fill in the credentials, login credentials I sent to you in the email. Paste the password, log in, and there we go. Here's your stats. Well, you had a lot of people look at on that particular Friday. You can see on your right the color code is what the color code, each color code means. And you go down to average and the daily figures. You can go down and look at what pages were viewed. Recent activity. And this is all in the free version now. I believe the pro version will go further into detail. Shows where your visitors came from. So you can check all these other analytics, visitor path. Kind of shows you how they got to actionhawaii.com. Even for what type of browser they were using. It's a lot to study here. So I'm just giving you a brief overview. A lot of these things you may not be interested in, but it's available. So you just gotta go look over the results here and determine what information pertains to you. So yeah, just we'll play around with what you have here. Now, a lot of these things, even I'm not sure exactly what it's showing came from activity. And here's an overview, and you can show you a map, a world map, where they came from, what type of traffic, how they came, what pages were viewed. Yeah. A lot of information in the free version. You would have to look at the website, StatCounter website, to see what the pro version offers, if it's worth paying the extra monthly fees, for your use. The second way of accessing your analytics is going directly to the StatCounter.com website. Log in, and with the same login information, you can access all your analytics directly on the website. But if you're already in WordPress and doing whatever you're doing, maintenance, upkeep, you can stay in WordPress and enter your StatCounter informations. So hope this helps. I forgot to mention that these analytic and statistics information are not accurate because many visitors, because of their privacy, disable cookies in their browser, which analytics use for tracking purposes. And some people even turn off JavaScript in their browsers, so they cannot be counted. Most cases, it's enough information for you to determine or meet your needs.